Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life and Lifestyle. Today in this video I'll show you some ideas like how you can hang your indoor plants. So let's get started. So let us see our idea number 1. So here you can see this is a DIY pot using jute rope which I have made, and I'll share the link in the description box. Here I have placed my money plant in water and it is growing well. And this DIY jute rope pot is really looking very beautiful in my wall. So you can give a try to this. So now let us go to the second idea. So here you can see this is a macrame wall hanger, and I was lucky enough because my aunt gave me this as a gift, and now I have used this to decorate my indoor plant. So this type of macrame holders are available online also, so that you can purchase it and also you can try to make it. So this is how I have placed my indoor plant, and it is really looking very pretty in my wall. Now let us move to our third idea. So here I will use 2 jute ropes. Now I will fold the jute ropes, both the jute ropes I will fold together and make 2 knots, one at the end and one at the head. So you can see I have joined the jute ropes. Now at the end I will make a knot. So you can see the knot, and again at the head I will make another knot to hang my pot. After making the 2 knots, I will take the cap of an old container to make the base where my plant pot will sit. So in place of the container cap, you can take some small plate also to make the base. So this is the final look. So you can see how I have decorated my indoor plant on this wall, and it is really looking very beautiful. So these things are easily available at home, so you can reuse it to decorate your indoor plants. Now let us move to the fourth idea. So here I will be using one basket. Since I was not using the basket for any other purpose, I will make this the hanging pot. So first I will take one jute rope and tie both the ends at this point, and one more jute rope I will take and tie the ends on the other part, so that my pot hangs easily on the wall. So here already I have tied one jute rope. Now I will tie the another jute rope on the opposite ends. On these 2 ends I will tie it now. So this is how my hanging pot is looking now. Now I will make a knot of both the ropes at the head so that I can hang it easily at some point. So you can see I have made a knot here. Now I will find a place inside my room where to place this pot. So I found this place and I have placed my indoor plant here. So this is really looking cool on my wall. So you can also give it a try. It's really looking very beautiful, is not it? So now let us move to our fifth idea. So here I will be using the 3 embroidery rings. So most of you have these rings available in your home. First I will tighten this ring. Now after this, what I will do, I will place the smaller ring in between and tie both the ends with a jute rope. The smaller ring will act as the base for my pot. So you can see I have fixed both the ends. Now I will place my pot here, then again these 2 rings I will tie together using a jute rope, and one more jute rope I will take to hang it at some point on my wall. So let us find a place to hang it. So it's done. So here you can see how pretty it is looking, and I have placed this near my wash basin. It is really looking very cool here. You can also give it a try. Now let us move to our next idea number 6. So again here I have used one basket. So here what I will do, on the base, this base of the basket, I will fix my planter pot. So in this way I will place my pot, and to fix the pot I will again use a jute rope and tie the pot along with the basket at the back. So in this way I will tie it. So this way the pot will remain fixed along with my basket. Now after fixing the pot, I will take another jute rope so that I can easily hang my basket. So I will fix the jute rope here. I will make a knot and fix it. So it's done, and you can see I have hanged my basket here, and it is really looking very beautiful. So you can also give it a try. In place of this you can put some plants with more hanging leaves, and it will really look very beautiful. So now let us move to our next idea number 7. So this idea is very simple. I will simply take 2 jute ropes, fold it and make 2 knots, one at the end, one at the head, and I will simply place my pot here without any base. So this pot, again the same pot only I am using for the project. So I will place this pot here and I will hang it. So you see here it's really very simple, and also it looks very pretty on the wall. So these are the different ideas I have shared with you today. So if you are also a plant lover, you can also give a try to all these different types of ideas. And if you also have some idea, please share with me in the comment box. I'll be very happy for that. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.